Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will help you drive better in Forza Horizon 5. First, focus on smooth inputs. Gently press the accelerator to avoid wheel spin, especially with powerful cars. When braking, apply pressure progressively to prevent locking up your wheels. Steering should be fluid, not jerky. Practice these basic controls in free roam for about 10 to 15 minutes to build muscle memory. Mastering these fundamentals is crucial for consistent lap times and overall control on any terrain. Next, let's master cornering. The slow in, fast out technique is key. Brake before the turn in smoothly, and then accelerate out. Aim to hit the apex, the innermost point of the corner, to straighten your exit. This maximizes your speed through the entire corner. Experiment with trail braking, where you gradually release the brake as you turn to maintain front-end grip. Consistent application of these techniques can shave off several seconds per lap. Now let's talk about optimizing your car. Tuning is incredibly powerful. Start by adjusting tire pressure. Lower pressure can increase grip, but too low will overheat them. Experiment with suspension settings to control body roll and weight transfer. For brakes, a bias of about 60% to the front is a good starting point. Upgrading tires, especially to race tires, provides a significant boost in grip, allowing for faster cornering and braking performance. Finally, consistent practice is paramount. Spend at least 30 minutes daily driving different car classes and on various surfaces, like dirt and asphalt. Use the rewind feature to instantly correct mistakes and learn from them. Watching your replays can highlight areas where you're losing time, perhaps by braking too early or accelerating too late. Gradually reduce driving assists, like traction control, to gain more direct control and improve your skill over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.